This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening Settings, then tap Battery and choose Battery Health and Charging. You do this because maximum capacity shows long-term wear and peak performance capability tells you if the phone throttles. Once in the screen, read the percent and the message. These are your baseline numbers. Make sure to wait a few seconds for values to load. If they seem stuck, exit and reopen Settings. This early step prevents guessing and gives you the facts to act on. Once you have the numbers, interpret them. A maximum capacity near or below 80% typically means reduced runtime, and a replacement may be recommended. The iPhone flags that in battery health. You should enable optimized battery charging to slow battery aging. This adjusts charging based on your routine. If peak performance capability shows performance management applied, you can choose to disable it temporarily, but know that performance may be unstable. These actions balance runtime, longevity, and device stability. To finish, perform a full charge cycle, charge to 100%, then use until low and recheck battery health because values can recalibrate. If battery health suggests service, contact Apple support or an authorized provider for a battery replacement. This restores capacity and performance. If readings look incorrect, restart the iPhone, confirm iOS is updated, and then reset settings as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip. If battery health still reports errors, request a diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.